Oh, this is Alexander. We're not going to have a flash. We're going to make a video for Grandpa doing a war whoop. Can you do it? Good job. La, 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 la.
That didn't work out.
Yeah. Go back to eating some cheese. Yeah. You're worried about the flash, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. What do you want to say to Grandma and Grandpa? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, that's a good job. Uh-huh. Right. You want to end with one more war whoop? Can you do it once more? La 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 la. Okay. Oh, so big.